I like to, do I want you talking or do I want you listening? Okay, so that was part 2 of the behavior management program, and part 2 is called the pre-frame. So a pre-frame is an over-the-top obnoxious hint as what you want the child or the adult to do without telling them. So when people are talking in my workshops, my expectation is people are talking. It's not a negative, it's not a positive, but if I want to get people's attention, I'm not going to shh, I'm not going to, excuse me, oh, none of that works. So all I need to do is, like, if I walk into a group of your kids and I go, I like the way you're sitting crisscross. There's nobody sitting crisscross, and I go to all these kids. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. I like the way you're. What happens to all the kids? Yeah, because you actually clearly communicated what you wanted the kids to do instead of all this hinting stuff that you do, right? And you know who I'm talking about. Because there's certain people that do a lot of hinting, and then there's a certain other gender that doesn't get hints, and when we don't understand what you're talking about, because you haven't asked us directly, whose fault is it? Yours. Of course, yeah, because I'm a guy. Get ready. Yeah.